Our IP management is a comprehensive service designed to manage, optimize and streamline the clinical supply chain from early strategy development through the enrollment, maintenance, and closeout phases of a trial. Ideally, a clinical supply chain manager gets involved in the planning of a clinical trial at an early stage even before the protocol is finalized. Depot. After completing manufacturing, kits will be QC'd and approved. Now the kits are ready to dispatch to sites. Shilowiz IP RTSM raises initial shipment automatically based on two parameters, which are selected during study setup phase. 1. Site activation. 2. The first patient screened. Shilowiz IP RTSM will generate shipment ID and pick the kit numbers by using FIFO technique, first in first out. Sends shipment release alert to the corresponding depot to prepare the shipment package. Shipment release alert includes site ID, shipment number, corresponding kit numbers to be included in the shipment number. The status of kits gets changed from ready to dispatch to ordered. After releasing the shipment acknowledgement alert is sent to the respective sites. Shipment acknowledge alert includes the site ID, shipment ID and the kit numbers. After releasing the shipment number, the status of the shipment number gets updated by Shilowiz IP RTSM as in transit and will remain so until the site acknowledges it. If site personnel do not acknowledge the shipment in time, which is based on the lead times fixed during study setup phase, late shipment acknowledgement alert be sent to the site as well as drug supply manager or CRA on regular intervals until it is acknowledged. After the shipment is delivered to site, the status of the shipment number gets updated as received in good condition or quarantined or damaged. Once shipment is acknowledged by the site, the status of the corresponding kit numbers gets updated as available or not received or damaged or quarantined. If the shipment is quarantined, it has to undergo QC by drug supply manager or any technical person who is assigned such work. Then, kits with good condition gets released and made as available. If the kits are not in good condition, they are released as damaged. Whenever site marks the shipment as quarantined, shipment quarantine alert is sent to drug supply manager or technical person who performs QC to the kits present in that shipment. The kits, which arrived in good condition without any temperature excursion or damage, are assigned to the subjects after randomization, during medication resupply or during other scheduled or unscheduled dispensing visits. Accountability of drugs starts once the kits are dispensed to the subject. Shilowiz IP RTSM drug accountability system tracks the kits from patient, unused returns and site returns, kits that are not dispensed or damaged. CRA or drug supply manager can reconcile the data and make shipments which are sent to the destruction depot. Shilowiz IP RTSM and IP management together cover the full cycle of supply management right from planning and forecasting through inventory management in accordance with the requirements of the protocol, management of any temperature event and finally reconciling the drug inventory and destroying remaining medication at the end of the study.